Every morning, I open Slack, I scroll through mentions, and then I go through my Gmail, I look at my calendar, and then I realize I forgot a linear ticket. And by the time I go through all this, it's already lunchtime. I thought, what if I can actually build a WhatsApp bot that can go through all this noise and filter the most important 3 things I need and send it to me on WhatsApp at 7 a.m. So I built that in 25 minutes with no coding required. Okay, let's kick that off. So build me a WhatsApp bot, DMs me every day at 7. I wanted to pull everything from my Google Calendar, from my Gmail, from my Linear and Slack. I don't want it to dump everything on me, just to summarize the important things and format the message in a good way that I can digest it. And then at the end of the day, it will DM me a follow-up of how the day went. So let's kick that off. Okay, it's gonna have some questions from me. Yes. And I'm gonna type my WhatsApp number. So this is how the graph look like. It's connected already. Okay, so let me connect my Google Calendar. Let's connect Linear and let's connect Slack. Scanning my WhatsApp. Yeah. It's linked. And it worked. And you can see, if we jump in here, jump into our messages, I can see it sent me a message telling me the priorities. It actually worked. And it gave me the exact cost per run. So this is the WhatsApp Daily Brief Bot in less than 25 minutes.